Hello, I'm Michelle, and today I'm going to compare two cell phones. The first one is the Redmi Note 8 Pro against the Huawei Y9X. The Note 8 Pro has 4 cameras, rear glass, and a water drop camera. However, the Y9X has a triple camera and also a side fingerprint. This offers more security. Finally, like the previous one, it has a real glass. The Y9X is heavier than the Note Pro because it weighs 206 grams and the Note Pro weighs 199 grams. The Note Pro is lighter and small compared to the Y9X. Another thing to say is none of the cell phone is waterproof. Finally, Huawei J9X is cheaper than the Redmi Note, and it does not have all the capacity of the Redmi Note, so all the best cell phone. A note, the Redmi Note costs more. Thank you for hearing me.